c'est Claire à Clearly French. Today we're going to do something a bit unusual. We're going to do a sentence drill. Take a very basic sentence. We're going to take "that's what I say" as the basic sentence, translate it into French, and then add to it to make it a bit more complex, and do that in different tenses just to show you how it works. So let's start with the present tense. And the basic sentence is "that's what I'm saying" or "that's what I say", because in French there's one present tense. C'est ce que je dis. And the ce que is the middle what. Je dis is both I say and I'm saying. Now we're going to add to that to make "that's what I'm saying to you". Of course, in English you say "that's what I'm telling you", but in French we say "that's what I'm saying to you". C'est ce que je te dis. And the te is the to you, and it always goes before the verb, unlike English. Now we're going to do "that's what I've been saying to you for 20 minutes". That's what I have been telling you for 20 minutes. C'est ce que je te dis depuis 20 minutes. Because of course with depuis, with since, we use the present tense. Now let's add to that, that's what I've been trying to say to you for 20 minutes. That's what I've been trying to tell you for 20 minutes. C'est ce que j'essaie de te dire depuis 20 minutes. So j'essaie de is I try to say to you, te dire. All in the present tense again, because you've got depuis in the sentence and it's ongoing. As a side note, if you want to make this sentence negative, you just insert ne pas. So "that's what I'm saying" becomes "that's not what I'm saying". C'est ce que je dis becomes ce n'est pas ce que je dis. And of course, when we speak, we say c'est pas. So c'est pas ce que je dis. Now let's modify our basic sentence. That's what he says, or that's what he's saying. C'est ce qu'il dit. Because of course it should be c'est ce que il dit, but of course the e and the i clash, therefore it becomes QU apostrophe. That's what he says to me, which is that's what he tells me. C'est ce qu'il me dit. The me is the to me. That's what he always says to me, or that's what he always tells me. C'est ce qu'il me dit toujours. But actually in real life we tend to say c'est ce qu'il me répète. That's what he repeats to me. But for argument's sake, for grammar, for practice, we'll keep dire the same. That's what he always says to me when I make a mistake. C'est ce qu'il me dit toujours quand je fais une erreur. Move on to the past tense, and in particular the passé composé. That's what I said. And of course, passé composé is called composé because it's made up of two parts, and people tend to forget that. C'est ce que j'ai dit. That's what I have said, literally. That's what I said to you, as in that's what I told you. And that's when people tend to forget the have. C'est ce que je t'ai dit. Remember, ai dit is I have said, and then the to you is the T apostrophe, which should be te, but because of the clash of vowels, it becomes a T apostrophe. That's what I said to you the other day, but you wouldn't listen to me. That's what I told you the other day, but you wouldn't listen to me. Same thing. C'est ce que je t'ai dit l'autre jour, mais tu n'as pas voulu m'écouter. Notice how in French we say you didn't want to listen to me, whereas in English you tend to say you wouldn't listen to me. Let's do the same with il. That's what he said. C'est ce qu'il a dit, because he has said in French. That's what he said to me, or that's what he told me. C'est ce qu'il m'a dit. And the to me becomes the M apostrophe because of the clash of vowels. That's what he said to me yesterday, but I didn't believe him. Or that's what he told me yesterday, but I didn't believe him. C'est ce qu'il m'a dit hier, mais je ne l'ai pas cru. Now let's have a look at the imperfect. That's what I was saying, or that's what I used to say. Same thing, it's the imperfect. C'est ce que je disais. That's what I was saying to you. C'est ce que je te disais. Again, the te goes before the verb. That's what I was saying to you earlier. That's what I was telling you earlier. C'est ce que je te disais tout à l'heure. And as a reminder, tout à l'heure can mean earlier or later, depending on the context and the tense you're using. It's quite a handy expression. Now let's do the same with il. That's what he was saying, or that's what he used to say. C'est ce qu'il disait. That's what he was saying to me. C'est ce qu'il me disait. That's what he was saying to me last week. C'est ce qu'il me disait la semaine dernière. Because this is a sentence we use a lot in the past to express a past intention, I'm going to show you how it works. That's what I was going to say. So was going to is the imperfect. C'est ce que j'allais dire. Je vais dire is I'm going to say. So I was going to say, j'allais dire. That's what I was going to say to you. C'est ce que j'allais te dire. That's what I was going to say to you when we got interrupted. C'est ce que j'allais te dire quand on nous a interrompus. C'est ce que j'allais te dire quand on nous a interrompus. Notice we say in English we got interrupted. It's more impersonal. In French we tend to say one interrupted us, someone interrupted us. And now let's do the same with he. That's what he was going to say. C'est ce qu'il allait dire. That's what he was going to say to me. C'est ce qu'il allait me dire. Now the me doesn't go before allait, it goes before dire. Because what was he going to do? Tell me. Or me tell. That's what he was going to say to me when his phone rang. C'est ce qu'il allait me dire quand son téléphone a sonné. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking on the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.